Are learning modalities offered in your institution effective in teaching performance-based subjects like nothing? Good day to all participants of 6th Year 1. I am Ms. Leana Rose Di Gabinete, grade 9 math teachers from Quezon Marquez City National High School. Our research study is titled The New Learning Modalities in Teaching MAPE in the District of Quezon Marquez City and Assessment. The global outbreak of the highly contagious flu strain of COVID-19 has changed the world. In response to this situation, the DepEd created the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, or BELC. Our district offered different modalities like ODL and MDL in teaching all subjects including math. We took up this study to assess the effectivity of the learning modalities offered in our district. The result of this study will be utilized as basis for the effective mode of delivery in teaching math. The following are the research questions. 1. What new learning modalities is offered in your school? Second, what is the final MAPE grade of the respondents in their chosen modality? Third, what is the general perception of the respondents on the different challenges they experience? Fourth, is there significant relationship between the students' final MAPE grade and challenges experienced? Here are the significant literature related to this study. DL takes place when the teacher and learners are geographically removed from each other during their instruction. Implementation of DL gave a significant impact on students' performance and achievement in the fitness elements more than the traditional learning. Mixed method research design was utilized in the study. We utilized the survey questionnaire made by Foreman and his associate on the year 2020. We also made interview questions for the selected students and teachers parallel to the survey questionnaire. Purposive sampling was used. Participants were 52 students, 9 MAPE teachers, and 8 parents. The quantitative data were analyzed using the following: percentage, mean, median, and Spearman group. The first question asked about the new learning modalities offered in the school. There were 8 public schools that offered MDL only, and there is one which offered both MDL and ODL, simply because of the lack of facility and limited internet connectivity. The second question was the final MAPE grade of the respondents. By using the grades of the respondents, we can easily recognize that ODL gets higher grades compared to MDL learners because of the different challenges experienced by the learners during pandemic. The third question was the general perception of the respondents about the challenges they experienced. The ODL students disagree that they are greatly affected by the different challenges they experienced during the pandemic. For MDL students, they strongly agree that these challenges greatly affect their performance in school. To validate the result of the study, we interviewed selected students, teachers, and parents, and some of their notable feedbacks are as follows. The fourth questions asks if there is a significant relationship between the respondents' final MAPE grade and the challenges experienced in the chosen learning modality. The results showed that there is significant relationship between the respondents' final MAPE grade and the challenges experienced in their chosen learning modality in both ODL and MDL. Students, here are some of notable feedbacks of the respondents. The conclusion of the study: MDL students experienced too many challenges during distance learning compared to the ODL students. Thus, we can therefore conclude that too many challenges experienced by the students in the distance learning may result to low and satisfactory grades, while students with less adjustments and challenges experienced during the distance learning will get high or outstanding grade. Here are the recommendations of the study. According to the parents, hybrid blended learning is necessary for a performance-based subject like mapping. According to the teachers, standardized video lessons, learning tasks, WHLP, and exemplar from the division office must be prioritized. The researchers recommend that the teachers should evaluate the learning module because it will help the students not to be bombarded with many activities. Here is the list of my references for my presentation. Let me share with you a quote by Charles Darwin. It is not strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change. Thank you for listening. Keep safe and God bless us.